welcome everybody to the 5th annual, the 2010 Amgen Tour of California.
Fabian is the Olympic gold medalist in the time trial from the Beijing Games, current world champion. George Hincapie, the U.S. professional champion. Andy Schleck from Luxembourg. Andy was second in last year's Tour de France. He's also won the best young rider in that race. Dave Zabriskie, 5-time U.S. Pro time trial champion. Lance Armstrong, a 7-time Tour de France champion. Levi Leipheimer, 3-time defending champion.
Phil Liggett has been with all of us ever since the first day that Versus launched. And Phil, what are your thoughts about the race?
I think it'll be a wonderful race. Levi Leipheimer will still win, but what? Thank you very much.
First stage of the Tour of California, and I think this stage is pretty predictable. It's a relatively easy stage. It's one of the easiest stages profile-wise of the 8 days of Tour of California. So I predict that the teams who have sprinters, namely HTC Columbia, Saxo Bank with Haedo, Liquigas with Kiki, just to name a few, there's more, Bornen, Quickstep, that they will have a lot of interest in having a bunch sprint. So hopefully that's what's going to happen. I count on it so we can preserve the team a little bit. And our mission today is just to stay together as a group and preserve all our chances and stay out of trouble.
Prevailing direction of the race is all downhill from here, so it's going to be fast and it's probably going to stay together. Some of the early breaks might get away for a little bit, time in front of the camera, but we expect we're going to finish this field.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and California, the 2010
of Bissell. He is our California Travel and Tourism King of the Mountain after stage number 1. Most courageous rider jersey goes to Martin Chalingi of the Netherlands. Mark Cavendish will now don this golden jersey. How long he keeps it is anyone's guess.